Starting at number 5, we have the COSORI Air Fryer Oven Combo 5.8 QT Max.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of mini diets, the cheese pull. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut-off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing COSORI Air Fryer. Available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, in classic black, red, or white. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
Moving on at number 4, we have the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL.
Unleash the full potential of your Philips Air Fryer by downloading the free Philips Kitchen Plus app through this QR code or the link down below. You'll be able to discover hundreds of tasty recipes and explore features to strengthen your cooking skills and make homemade meals that you and your family will love. Now let me walk you through the app. First, select which model air fryer you have. Then, Kitchen Plus will build a customized homepage where you can explore the latest recipes, articles, tips, tricks, and more. In the Recipes tab, you can search by accessory, meal, cuisine, occasion, special diets like vegan and gluten-free, and most importantly, how much time you have to cook. So if you're looking for something quick, we'll be able to show you the best seasonal recipes that are ready for your air fryer. You can also find my recipes by searching my name, like my easy red velvet cake, all my pizzas, my chicken wings. Over in articles, you can read guides on how to prepare the best holiday-specific meals and get the most out of your air fryer. What are you gonna make with your Philips air fryer? Show us on social media by tagging Philips Air Fryer, and I can't wait to see what you post. So get into the kitchen, let the app be your guide, and welcome to the Philips family.
At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Air Fryer Oven 3.7 quarts. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart TOA 60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer.
The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that produces great-tasting treats by using less fat. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air and 98% less oil than deep frying, is a healthier way to cook. Prepare your delicious fried favorites from wings and fritters to fries and shrimp using little or no fat in the cooking process. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer, which means it uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to not only bake, toast, and broil, but also to air fry your favorite foods. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting. Now you can be guilt-free and enjoy the crunch without the calories with the new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
And finally at number 1, we have the Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max.
Just happened.